Hello developers, welcome to another developer experience video on Zebra's mobile computing AI suite capabilities. In this video, we will cover how you can build a simple Text-OCR recognizer application using AI suite. For the Text-OCR use case, please ensure that the latest version of the Text-OCR recognizer model is chosen. Please refer to the model information details on the Zebra Tech Docs to know more about the versions released. Here, I have chosen version 2.7.1 to be included in this application. Note that the model name to be used to download from Maven is Text-OCR-Recognizer. Before getting started on the Text-OCR, please ensure that the preconditions to set up and initialize the SDK and the models are taken care of. You may refer to the setup tutorial video for AI Suite to know more. Once the preconditions are taken care of and the project is set up, import the necessary packages. The next step is to initialize the SDK. Please take a note that most of the APIs in this SDK throws AI Vision SDK exception and applications have to handle it according to the cases. Once the SDK is initialized, the next step is to load the Text-OCR recognizer model. Before loading the model, user needs to configure the OCR settings. There are many parameters that the user can configure to make the model perform to its best. Please refer to the Tech Docs page again to know more on how to best configure these settings for your use case. The getTextOCR method asynchronously initializes and retrieves a TextOCR instance using the specified settings and the executor. Please note that most of the APIs offered in this SDK returns a completable future object, allowing users to process the results asynchronously. After initializing the TextOCR object, the next step is to start processing the frames that you receive from the camera subsystem. You could use camera 2 or camera X or even pass frames from a video file. This SDK offers APIs that can be easily used with camera X analyzers. If your application is implementing a camera X analyzer, you could call the process API in your analyze implementation to generate entity objects. In this case, the process API for TextOCR generates paragraph entity objects from the images passed. The paragraphs can be further sliced to lines and words as per your application's requirements. At each entity level, you will get information related to the entity such as bounding boxes, decoded value, etc. Once the processing is done, it's important to release the resources by calling the dispose API. Please refer to the Tech Docs pages and the sample app sources available in ZebraDev's GitHub project to start building your first TextOCR application. Thank you.